He insisted that she dash the meeting. A. Attends. B. Attended. C. Attend. If I dash a car, I would drive you. A. Had. B. Have. C. Has. The news dash shocking. A. Are. B. Were. C. Is. He looks as if he dash seen a ghost. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have. There dash a lot of confusion in the room. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are. It's time we dash home. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. No sooner had I spoken, dash he interrupted. A. Than. B. When. C. But. Neither of them dash invited. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are. He said he would call me after he dash home. A. Gets. B. Got. C. Had got. It's necessary that she dash informed. A. B. B. Is. C. Was. He is the man dash won the prize. A. Which. B. Who. C. Whom. Not all students dash late. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. He went out without dash goodbye. A. Say. B. Saying. C. To say. They suggested dash a break. A. To take. B. Take. C. Take it. The teacher said she dash absent yesterday. A. Had been. B. Was being. C. Has been. Few of them dash interested in the offer. A was, B were, C is. The couple dash walking in the park. A is, B are, C were. By the time we arrived, the class dash A had started, B dash has started, C dash started. He behaves as if he dash the boss. A were, B is, C has been. You have better done now. A, leave. B, to leave. C, left. I couldn't help dash when I heard the news. A, laugh. B, laughing. C, to laugh. They managed to do it dash they. A, didn't. B, did. C, don't. She will go shopping after she dash lunch. A, have. B, has. C, will have. The more you work, the dash you gain. A, most. B, more. C, many. I suggest we dash now. A, starting. B, start. C, started. One of my friends dash moving abroad. A, are. B, is. C, were. He demanded that she dash punished. A, B. B was. C is. The dog as well as the cats dash hungry. A, are. B, were. C, is. We would rather you dash the truth. A, tell. B, told. C, had told. If you dash him, he would help. A, ask. B, asked. C, had asked. If you dash him, he would help. A. Ask. B. Asked. C. Had asked. If you dash him, he would help. A. I regret not dash earlier. A. Come. B. Coming. C. To come. Everything dash ready for the event. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. The number of students in class dash increasing. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. The committee dash agreed to the terms. A. Have. B. Has. C. Is. She is looking forward to dash from you. A. Hear. B. Hearing. C. Heard. It's essential that he dash more carefully. A. Speaks. B. Speak. C. Spoke. I asked her if she dashed there before. A. Had been. B. Has been. C. Was. He said he'd dash a doctor. A. Wanted to become. B. Wants to become. C. Want to become. The teacher let the student dash early. A. Leaving. B. Leave. C. To leave. I object to dash treated like that. A. B. B. Being. C. Been. As soon as he dash, we'll start. A. Arrives. B. Will arrive. C. Arrive. Dash, you worked harder, you would pass. A. If. B. Had. C. Should. I can't help but dash his effort. A. Admire. B. Admiring. C. To admire. The man dash car was stolen. A. Whose. B. Whose. C. Whom. I am not used to dash so early. A. Get up. B. getting up. C, got up. He talks as if he dash everything. A, knew. B, knows. C, had known. I had him dash the work again. A, do. B, did. C, doing. You should avoid dash during meetings. A, to speak. B, speaking. C, speak. It's high time you dash serious. A, become. B, became. C, becomes. They would have helped if they dashed the chance. A, have. B, had. C, has.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.